Dearest friends, welcome back to the Arts Distributor channel. I'm Karina and today we're going to create a charming fall wreath together. Gather your materials and let's get started. Here is a list of materials: Styrofoam wreath base, natural dried moss, red artificial berries, mini pumpkins, pine bark, mini artificial apples, artificial maple leaves, artificial fell eucalyptus, artificial poppies, glue gun, glue sticks, ribbons, and gloves. The key principle of making any wreath is to work from general to specific. Let's begin by focusing on the background. Step 1. Moss application. Grab your glue gun and glue sticks. Start attaching the dried moss all around the wreath base. Make sure to use natural, not stabilized moss. This is crucial. Step number 2. Adding decorative elements. Place the moss on the entire perimeter of the wreath except for the back side, which will be against the wall, door or table. Now start adding the rest of your decorative elements. Take the eucalyptus and insert it into the styrofoam base, securing it with a small metal clip. Repeat this process with the artificial poppies. Distribute the artificial leaves, berries and apples evenly across the wreath. The lower part of the wreath remains undecorated, as this is where we'll attach the bow. You can decide where to place the bow in advance. Step number 3. Composition check. If you are unsure about the final look, arrange all the materials on top of the wreath without gluing them. Take a photo with your phone to review the composition. This method helps you spot any empty areas or overloads more effectively than just looking at it. Step number 5. Maintaining the shape. Ensure that your wreath remains round and doesn't become too square or oval in shape. Step number 6. Tying the bow. Tie the bow onto your wreath. Here we are creating a double bow with green ribbon and a single bow with burgundy polka dotted ribbon. Secure the ribbons well to the wreath. Trim the ribbon at a 45-degree angle. Step number 7. Final touches. Inspect your wreath, make any necessary adjustments, trim any excess, and glue any loose elements back in place. Congratulations, dear friends! Your beautiful fall wreath is ready! Wishing you a wonderful autumn season filled with joy and creativity! See you soon! Bye bye!